Hi, I'm Devyn Roseman here at the Wheelbase Magazine product review for the new forged Bear Kodiaks. For our testing, we have three main points of interest: the strength, the weight, and the turning of this truck. Let's go skate. Bear's new 45-degree Kodiak truck features a 178mm forged hanger, an 8-hole forged base plate, a conical bushing seat, pressed-in precision axles, 3 sets of tall bushings, 2 bushing shims for shorter bushing options, a wooden carrying case, a total weight per truck of 15.37 ounces, and they come in either red or black anodized. After riding these trucks, we really felt that the combination of the conical bushing seat, tall bushings, and 45-degree base plate provided for a stable and precise turn. We rode these trucks extensively and did not encounter any issues with bending. And honestly, due to the forged construction, we don't foresee this being an issue. Last but not least, these trucks are light. They weigh in at just 15.37 ounces, which provides for a lively, responsive ride. Thank you for watching this Wheelbase Magazine product review for the Bear Kodiaks. If you have any further questions, you can hit us up in the comment section down below. Have a rad day.